Hi guys, thank you for watching. This is my finished extended denim trench coat custom that I did. So let's take the tour. So I added some extra pockets and they're all usable, every last one of them. Okay, nice Levi branding. Did some two-toning and distressing here toward the bottom. Lots of pockets. Again, custom pockets. Added a zipper here, which is usable. I can zip it one-handed. I'm using my camera, but you can see the zippers there. It's cut off from a pair of jeans. Go across the top. I have to redo my custom glam couture. Sewed this pocket back on from a pair of jeans. Added this actual logo from another brand because I liked it. It said Underground Soul. And let's flip it. Oops, sorry for the delay. Hold on. Okay, here's the back part. I'm still going to put something here, maybe glam couture on the side. Okay, added a couple custom tags. I don't know if you guys have ever looked in the inside of your jean tags. Certain designers, they actually put their company's motto in there. Zoom across. Here's my Levi brand. You know, I'm a Levi girl. Okay, a couple Levi usable pockets. That's the rest of my belt loop. Okay, more usable pockets. Another usable pocket. Thought I'd throw in a couple different features. Did a custom star there with a denim patch. This is actually fabric ink I use when I'm drawing. So I'm going to throw that in the wash. It's going to give it a little bit more distressing. And then a custom heart patch at the top. You guys may remember this from my custom denim birthday boots I did last year. Okay, the zipper here is from the original design. I may or may not do something else with that, but I like the fact that I can either roll it up or leave it down. And that's on both sleeves, so I may wear it up or I may wear it down. I haven't yet quite decided. But that's it. This is my custom denim jacket. Impressed. So I basically took an original trucker's jacket, extended it with, this is actually 3 separate pair of pants, as well as some scrap pieces from my pink army fatigue and my green army fatigue boots, if you guys remember that I did. So, hope you like it. I love it. Can't wait to wear it.